Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to this video. This is pretty much the third in a series about impressing ideas. The first one was the shop with me, the second one was my haul and Nonie's, and this one is Andrea's. And Andrea went a little bit crazy. She had a great time in there. She hadn't been shopping in a while and she went for it. She picked up the Curiosity Shop Graphic 45 set, and these are the stickers and the 12 by 12 pad. And again, I'm filming in a weird setup on vacation, so please forgive me. But I think that's called Old Curiosity Shop. Then she got Vintage Hollywood, which is really cute too, has nice blue and orange in it, in the 8 by 8 pad. And in those pads, it's just paper, no stickers, but really, really pretty. And Graphic 45, if you're not familiar with them, they have beautiful, beautiful patterns, lovely, lovely papers, always gorgeous. Oh, look at that blue. That's very pretty. I like that. I really focused in the store on Flutter, which is the one I got. Look at that star paper. Okay, maybe she wants to give me a piece of that. That's gorgeous. You can't bring home all the paper, right? If you watched the other video already, you know what I brought home and why. Then she got into the Prima also. I'm sure Sabrina Country K Crafter will be very proud of Andrea. I didn't do a good job filming the Prima section, but Andrea brought a lot of it home, so that helps. So she got the little cards. Then she got this 30 sheet pad in 8 by 8, which again is beautiful. And this is Saint-Tropez, and she got quite a bit of it. And then she also got into a lot more variety in the store, so that's kind of neat. This is a wood block stamp with a big heart, and her scale is probably because she was doing mixed media. I filmed the information about the stamp, but it is an older stamp, so you'd probably have to find it in a store. Then she picked up Stamperia paper, which I had never heard of until Sabrina K. Country Crafter educated me about, and Sabrina was horrified that I didn't know about Stamperia and joked that we couldn't be friends. Stamperia is not made in the US, but it is amazing, and I really hadn't seen it in stores before. Then Andrea got some more of those little tiny embossing folders that we can use with our Sidekick and beach stamps, and liquid pearls. If you're not familiar with this product, you can use it in a variety of ways. You can mix it with water and paint it on. She uses it in mixed media projects and makes gorgeous patterns in her paint pours. It's a pretty fun product. Then she needed glue, so we got her some glue while we were there. They didn't have art glitter glue in stock, so that's why we tried the Nuvo. This paper is a Leonardo da Vinci pattern, and it is made by Ciao Bella, and it's from Italy. So it was very interesting to see the international products that they had in the store. That was pretty cool. Then right at the end, Andrea saw some stamps that she fell in love with. So we went back and found these. Look at these gorgeous nature stamps. I really, really like them. I like that cabin. That's cute. That's super cute. That would be great on a Christmas card, and you could put snow on the trees. I probably don't need any more tree stamps. Then she just got some white Nina. That's what was in that envelope because she needed some. She was having Noni color some stuff for her, and she didn't have good quality paper. So we want her to stamp her images on better paper from now on. Then, did you guys know that Graphic 45 has a monthly kit? Well, now Andrea knows, and she's all signed up for it. She signed up at the store at Impressing Ideas, and I believe their website is also down at the bottom of the paper. So the way this works is they have beautiful color instructions and product every month, and there's at least 2 projects in there, and they give you step-by-step instructions. Now, let's be honest. If the kit for the month had been with Flutter and it had been full of blue, I also would have bought it. And I thought about buying this one too, just because it's beautiful. And there are a variety of projects. You don't necessarily make an album every month or a wall hanging every month or a tag book, but there's an assortment. And like I said, you make 2 projects a month. So we'll look at the instruction sheet and you'll see what she's going to make. This gives you a hint too. There's a travel album with notebook in here. Graphic 45 is making these. Essentially, it's a traveler's notebook, and it has 3 different inserts. One is watercolor paper, one is grid paper, and one is lined paper. And in the walkthrough video, there were some samples of these sitting around in the store so you could see what Cindy has done with them. Gorgeous things. Then there are some envelopes that they've put in as part of the kit. I'm sure it walks you through how and where to use those. And this I thought was odd. Graphic 45 made black gloss washi tape. I don't know. I mean, maybe to give finished edges. Black just seems like a weird way to go. So it is called something in Paradise. Let's see. Okay, Lost in Paradise. The other thing that Cindy talked to us about while we were there is the pad that I'm showing you right now with more solid colors. I can't remember what they're called, but it's like a corresponding pad or the accent pad. Every collection that Graphic 45 makes, they put out a pad like that goes with it. So you could just buy the stickers and chipboard and then that pad if maybe Graphic 45 is a little too detailed for you, but you love the colors. Or like when I bought Flutter, I could have bought the 8x8, the 12x12, and the matching accent paper pad. I think that would have been a little much, but I didn't realize they did that. So here you can see these are the directions for this 1 month, and I'm confused on whether it's August or September. That doesn't really matter. But you're going to do a little traveler's notebook, and they walk you through, and the instructions on these, I haven't made a project. I can't say that for sure, but I can tell you the instructions are beautiful, and they seem to be very detailed. I didn't sit around and read them all the way through. And the idea that Andrea had that I thought was pretty cool was her and Nonie and I could all buy the kits, and then we could make them together. So or I could buy the kit and make it in a video. I don't know. But it would be a fun thing to do in a group. At Impressing Ideas, they get together, I think the first Tuesday of every month or something at like 10 a.m. and they make the projects together. So I thought that was a super fun idea. So in this, you're making this mini album and then you're making the other project that it showed later. And I'll be watching for something that uses Flutter, but I don't know, maybe it's old. But I think it would be fun to do these big complex kits together with your friends. So if you have a Graphic 45 lover in your life, Cruising with Crystal, I think you do. It might be something to think about as a gift too. I'm not saying sign somebody up for the subscription, but maybe surprise them 1 month with a Graphic 45 kit if they don't know that this product exists. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody's having a great week, and I will talk to you again soon. Also, if my prize doesn't get claimed, I'll probably do a flash on Sunday. Bye-bye.